Hey guys, we're going to talk about inequality vocabulary. If you want, you can go ahead and set up your notes like this. These are terms that are really going to be important for you to write down so you understand what they mean and what symbol they go with. So I drew the symbol, I drew four corners, I drew the different symbols, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and then I did little number lines at the bottom so that way I can show you what they look like. Remember, this is using x coming first, or the variable coming first. So all of these are when our variable is first. So that's what's super important, is our variable is first when we're looking at this. And we're trying to kind of solve it. So if you want to pause it, write this down real quick, and then I'm going to go ahead and get started. So first one we have is our greater than symbol. So obviously the word is greater than. We also can say more than. We also, I'm going to zoom in. We can also say larger than, above, over, and exceeds. So this is when it is larger than that number, but not equal to. So this is when we have our open circle and we're shading to the right. So this is going to be larger than, but not equal to. So it does not include that number its circle is on. Then we have our less than, so obviously less than. We have fewer than. We have under, below, and smaller than. So all these terms means that we're going to have our number. However, we're not going to color it in because it does not equal that number. It equals everything that is below it. Here's where we have some tricky ones. So we have the line underneath them, which means it does equal that number. So we have something like more than or equal to. We also have greater than or equal to. We have at least, so at least that amount, that can be your smallest amount. We have no less than. We have a minimum of, not fewer than, not less than, just the word minimum. And we have not under. So this means that it can be equal to that number, and it can be larger than it, but it can't be smaller. It can't be under that amount. And the last one is my less than or equal to. So obviously, less than or equal to, at most, no, not more than, a maximum of, up to, not above, not greater than, maximum, and does not exceed. This means that I can have that amount and I can have less than it, but I cannot have more. Hopefully these terms will help you decipher the word problems that are coming up this week. Remember, this is writing the variable first. Have a good one.